So I came to purchase a bike. This vlog is not a planned vlog. I just came for business here. I came to purchase a bike so that I can rent it out for the person to pay at the end of 8 months, to pay with interest at the end of 8 months. So I decided to vlog. Since I've got my iPhone 6 Plus, I've really decided to vlog a lot. So I decided to do the vlog of our bike are being fixed and everything. I just hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you. The shop is owned by an Igbo man from the eastern part of Nigeria. So I really like the cohesiveness that is working on here. No tribalism. shop is owned by an Easterners, a Igbo man, while the Northerners are fixing the bike, are putting the bike in order. So I really like what is going on about unity in this place. Yeah, one thing I noticed about this place too that I came today is that stereotype is a very bad thing. The Hausa tribe or the Northern tribe have been over the years seen by the Southerners as illiterate, people that cannot do things right and all that. Look at them here facing this bike that they really know what they are doing. They are fast. They really know what they are doing. They put everything in place. This kind of job will take many years to master, and you know there are different type of improvements. These Chinese people improve on their bikes, on their products every time. Changes, a lot of changes that have been taking place all over the years, and there are different products also. But these guys have been able to master it, to do it well, to do it perfectly. Stereotype is a very bad thing, and I really hate it that it's really going on big around the world. No tribe is a monopoly or can be described as one thing. Different tribes in Nigeria have been stereotyped for one thing or the other, which is not true. I think behavior of an individual should be observed by others before judging that individual. Nobody should be judged by their ethnicity, by their region they comes from, or their country. Look at these guys doing a very perfect job. So these guys earn 1,500 for fixing a bike. Yeah, they earn 1,500 for fixing a bike, and both of them, for what I gather, is that both of them can fix 10 bikes a day. I will put the amount in dollar later when I'm editing the video. The both of them can fix 10 bikes a day, even more than. So you can imagine how much they are getting a day. Our bike is ready. Time for it to be tested. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Please. Thank you.
Ali,